Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys how to charge your iPhone way faster and all that for free without having to spend any money on new chargers or new cables for your iPhones. And that will actually work even on iPhones that don't support fast charging. You can have your iPhone charge much faster by doing some things and not doing some other things. So you will get some very useful tips and tricks on this video that will help you charge your iPhone way faster. Now another thing that will really help is leaving a like on this video. That will help this video do much better, so make sure you don't leave the video without leaving a like. First off, the don'ts, the things that you shouldn't do if you want to charge your iPhone faster. First of all is wireless charging. Even though it's cool and all that, wireless charging will charge your iPhone way slower than charging your iPhone with a cable or with a charger. So if you're looking to charge your iPhone faster, you need to have more battery in a very short period of time. Make sure that you don't use a wireless charger to charge your iPhone. Also, don't use a computer, like connecting your iPhone through a cable to your laptop or to your computer. That will also charge your iPhone slower. And if you also use your iPhone while it's charging, you are basically like putting in power and also letting out power as you're using your iPhone, and that will of course also make your iPhone charge way slower. So if you need to quickly charge your iPhone, remember these three things that you shouldn't do. Don't use a wireless charger, don't use a computer, and also don't use your iPhone while it's charging. And now of course what you should do to actually charge your iPhone faster. There are a few tips and tricks that you need to follow. First off, what really works and is the best and most effective way to charge your iPhone faster is using a charger from your iPad. So if you own an iPad, make sure you go ahead and use the charger that came with your iPad to charge your iPhone. Now of course if you don't, then that's a thing that maybe you have to buy, but as I said, we're just showing things that you can do for free, so you can also charge your iPhone faster even without the iPad charger. But if you already own an iPad, make sure you go ahead and take its charger and charge your iPhone with your iPad, and that will charge the iPhone much faster. Now a lot of people might think that it's risky to actually charge your iPhone with a high voltage charger, but that's not the case. You can read this even on an article from Apple. It's very safe to do it. Go ahead and charge your iPhone with the iPad charger if you own one, and that will charge your iPhone way faster than the charger that comes with your iPhone. Great features of iOS are of course shortcuts and automations. Those can help a lot when it comes to charging your iPhone faster. Now with shortcuts, you will have this shortcut right here, which I will leave linked right down below in the description of the video, that you can just run before you start charging your iPhone, and everything will happen much faster. Your iPhone will charge faster, and you don't even need to worry about the brightness being too high or low power mode being turned on. All you gotta do is just run the shortcut. Everything is done automatically. You can see it will turn down the brightness, turn on airplane mode, turn off Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and also turn on low power mode, and that of course will make your iPhone charge much faster, as in this state your iPhone is using way less battery. So you will have everything set up on your iPhone the correct way for you to have your iPhone charged much faster. The good thing about shortcuts is that you can of course create even your own, and you can create a shortcut here that will help your iPhone charge faster by simply adding things like low power mode, or maybe you don't want to turn on airplane mode but you want to turn off Wi-Fi or cellular or anything else you want. You want to turn down the brightness. You can create your own shortcut with the actions that you want. You just create the shortcut and tap on add action. So we can search here, for example, set, and it will show us right here, set low power mode. Let's just find it here. Set low power mode to on, add another action. Let's say turn off Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Let's just go with Bluetooth. So here we have set Bluetooth. Tap right there and turn it off, and then we have created, just like this, a shortcut that will actually do this stuff for us. Whenever we start charging our iPhone, we can go ahead and run this shortcut. Or what we can do is create an automation right here and go right here to charger. When you go to charger, select connected and then tap next and go to add action and tap on run here. So search for run and then you will have run shortcut. So the shortcut you just created or the one that you have downloaded can be ran automatically every time you go ahead and plug in your device to charge. So here we have ultra quick charge. We select that, tap on next, disable this, don't ask, and we're good to go. Every time we plug in our iPhone to charge, that will happen automatically. Or what you can do is create your own automation and go right here to charger, leave it when it's connected and go to next. And then right here we can create like actions that will be performed automatically whenever we plug in our device to charge, like maybe low power mode. So here we have set low power mode, off, tap next, disable this, don't ask, click done, and you're good to go. Every time you will plug in your device to charge, low power mode will be turned on automatically. And of course you want it to be turned off when you unplug your device, so you don't have to do that manually. Create another automation and go right here to charger, remove that and select is disconnected, tap next, add action, and just go ahead and search for low power mode and just click there to turn it off, click next, disable this, and now you're good to go. You have two automations you have created that will turn on or off low power mode whenever you plug in and unplug your device. That will of course help your iPhone charge way faster, as your iPhone in this state is actually using way less energy from the battery. And of course there are always the usual things that you can do while charging your iPhone to make sure it charges faster. And you can do things manually, like turning on airplane mode if you don't need to use your iPhone at that certain time. You just want to quickly charge it, turn on low power mode or airplane mode. And if you really need that battery really fast, and of course you don't want to use your iPhone but you just want to charge it for that time, you can also go ahead and completely turn off your iPhone. Volume up, volume down, side button, and you can go ahead and turn it off completely. That way your iPhone is using no power at all, but of course it is charging and it will charge much faster. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. These are a few very useful tips and tricks that will actually help you charge your iPhone much faster. Nowadays, of course, we run out of battery all the time and we're on a rush. We want to charge our iPhone as quickly as possible. These are the things that you can do on any iPhone to make sure that your iPhone will be charged faster, and of course not spend any money on new cables and new chargers to charge your iPhone faster. And of course there are only certain iPhones that will charge faster with the new cables and new chargers for fast charging. Again, these are some tips and tricks that you might find useful, and of course some do's and don'ts when it comes to charging your iPhone faster. So that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to leave a like as it helps out a lot, and of course as always don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and I will see you on the next one.